Today, I'll show you how to add a GitHub bot to Discord for the year 2024. If you're looking to streamline your workflows and keep all your notifications in one place, integrating GitHub with Discord is a great way to do it. Whether you're part of a development team or just managing your own projects, having a direct line of communication between GitHub and Discord can save time and make collaboration much easier. Let's start by setting up a webhook in your Discord server. First, navigate to your Discord server and click on Server Settings. You'll see a range of options here, but for our purposes, you'll want to select Integrations. Once there, look for the option to Create Webhook, click on it, and you'll be presented with a new screen where you can customize your webhook. You'll want to give it a name that's easy to remember, especially if you plan to have multiple webhooks in the future. After naming your webhook, you'll see a URL appear. This is key. Go ahead and copy this URL because you'll need it for the next step. Now, let's move over to GitHub. Open your GitHub repository, the one you want to link to Discord. Once you're in, look at the top of your repository page and click on Settings. This is where you can manage all the configurations for your repository. Scroll down until you find the webhooks menu option. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can manage your current webhooks or add new ones. Here, click the button labeled Add Webhook. This will open a form where you can input various details about your webhook. In the field labeled Payload URL, paste the URL you copied from Discord. This is the URL that will allow GitHub to communicate directly with your Discord server. There are a few more settings you can adjust here, like content type and which events will trigger the webhook. For this tutorial, you can stick with the default settings as they will notify you of all push events. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click the Add Webhook button at the bottom of the page. And that's it. You've successfully added a GitHub bot to your Discord server. Now, whenever changes are made to your GitHub repository, such as new commits or pull requests, your Discord server will receive a notification. This setup is incredibly useful for teams that want to stay updated on project progress without constantly checking GitHub. Before you wrap up, it's always a good idea to test everything to make sure it's working as expected. Make a small change or commit to your repository and see if the notification appears in your Discord channel. If it does, congratulations, you're all set. If not, double-check the URL in your GitHub webhook settings or the permissions in your Discord server to ensure everything is configured correctly. This integration can really enhance your team's productivity by keeping everyone in the loop without the need for constant manual updates. And there you have it, a seamless way to keep your GitHub and Discord in sync. Thanks for watching and happy coding.